Hi, the third or fourth, the third property is being sold by Auction House Northeast on the 7th of April is Lot 15, 27 Bevanley Road, South Bank, Middlesbrough. £50,000 guide price, a two-bedroom terraced house with nothing to recommend it at all. You may wonder why it's being sold at auction. It is a probate sale. Often probate sales go through the auctions today. It has an interconnecting, two bedrooms that are interconnected but can be quickly separated. There's nothing to, the only comment I can make, as you can see from the ceiling in the living room in the picture, it appears to have polystyrene tiles, and that appears to be the case throughout the house. They need to be stripped off, and in stripping the polystyrene, sometimes it comes away very easily, and other times it damages the surface of the plaster board underneath. It depends on the adhesive that's being used. So you might have a very simple job of stripping this off, and on the other hand, you may find you've got to replaster or resurface, reskim, not replaster, reskim the ceilings. More than that, I really can't tell you. The EPC is an E, and it seems to be straightforward, missing light bulbs, things like that. And self there's nothing to recommend it, or no reason for it not to be recommended, I should say. You've got frontage for parking if you want it today or in the future. It's a relatively quiet street. You do have the sleeping policemen at the junctions. But there's more of the traffic calming measures down there. It's a straightforward suburban area. There's a passageway through between the two houses leading to the back, and if you look at the back, you can see in one of the pictures where the two come into the back. No, it's not that picture. There's the kitchen. As soon as you can see the polystyrene tiles again. Just take you quickly around the house. There is a virtual tour, but it doesn't show anything other than is shown up by these pictures. There's an outhouse here which appears to be in good order. It's a straightforward little property. So if you want to help to buy it, we can help you with the due diligence. Otherwise, I can't see that you're going to get your money out of it, the deposit money out of it. I can't see any way of improving it. That brings me to the end.